What's up, y'all? My name's Bill, and this is how I do it. Man, I'm working on a Poulan Pro pp4218a 42 cc chainsaw, and I'm going to do a quick chainsaw chain replacement on it. As you can tell, it's rusty, grimy, it's super dull. Trust me, it's super dull. Man, we could sharpen this up, I believe, but man, they got a new chain, and we're gonna slap this chain on real quick. All right, this is the chain that we're gonna be replacing it with. Got this off Amazon special. I had pretty good luck with these chains in the past, so go ahead and slap this bad boy on here. And I got my chainsaw tool right here, multi-tool right here. I don't know exactly what size these bolts are. They're probably about a 13 millimeter, 14, 15, somewhere in there. But my chainsaw tool right here. Take these off quick and easy. You can carry it in your chainsaw case and all that stuff, so that's probably what we will be working with anyway out in the field. So great lessons. All right, let's be careful taking this off. All right, now you see the assembly right here. You see how we can tighten the chainsaw right here with this flat head right here. And this is the chainsaw assembly on this chainsaw. What we're gonna do is gonna press the blade back, bam, just like that. Then we can just easily take this chain off. Boom. Then all we gotta do is take it off. Boom, it's off, just like that. Now we're gonna look at our new one here. Open it up. Super Amazon special. Doing this, yeah, they come pre-lubricated, but we're gonna have our own bar oil and stuff, so it's all that's gonna fix itself. All right, look, hung up right there. And as you can tell, you can see the blades all on one side, and you see the runners. I call them runners. These are the ones that fit inside of here in this groove right here. And I ain't gonna say it's foolproof, because plenty of times I've been the fool, but it's pretty simple to remember which one's which. So all you gotta do is put this on, put that around the tip. And it's gonna go in that groove. That's gonna go in the groove at the bottom. And we can slide it up just a hair. All right, we got that around there. All right, now we just gotta make sure everything's in the groove. Gonna preliminary tighten it right here. Cause what you want to be able to move it by hand, but you don't want to be that loose. But you just want to be able to pull it with your hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a tightening mechanism back on here. Always make sure this thing's lined up. We can fix everything else later. This is what I'm trying to line up right here. The camera's at a bad angle, so you won't see what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to put this stud on the clutch cover to the hole on the bar. All right, let me make sure. I'm trying to make this thing line up. Gotta go back a little bit. It's a screw, and you can see the mechanism moving to the right as I turn to the left. Well, it moved to the left as I'm turning to the left. Counterclockwise. And we're gonna put this back on here. It lines up. Oh, just a little bit more. Boom. That's in the hole, right where it need to be. Now I can put this back on. Feel that? Now it's loose enough. You can move it by hand, and it's a little too loose. Might be a little too tight, but I mean a little too loose. I mean, I'm sorry. Loosen these up. Yeah, I think it's about right. I still can move with my hand. I think that's about right. That's one of the things, and you just gotta kind of feel it, you know. It's kind of hard to explain on video. You won't be able to pull it with your hand, but you don't want it too loose. Cause like it's gonna come loose a little bit when it's, you know, first being broke in and stuff. So it's gonna get hot, it's gonna get loose, you're gonna have to tighten it up. Let's crank it up, see what we got. I wish I had something to cut, but I don't. All right, now we're gonna crank it up. All right, had the choke on, push it back in. I gotta let it warm up a little bit. Let it warm up some. Okay, and that's how you put on a chain on a Poulan Pro 42cc chainsaw. Got it fixed up for the customer. He's gonna enjoy it. I know he is. He said he's ready to cut some things on Easter weekend, so that's what he's gonna be able to do with this Poulan Pro. That's how I do it.
Hey, come outside. Let's hear it.
Say thank you for subscribing.
Thank you, Sky. Okay, let's hear it.